CVMC, ECE, Unit 1, Complex Variables, Lesson 9, Studying Cauchy-Riemann equations in polar coordinates. First, we have to learn what is the relation between Cartesian and polar coordinates. Cartesian coordinates means x, y. Polar coordinates means r, theta. Now, observe the diagram. This is x-axis, origin, y-axis. P, x, y be any point. This is y distance. This is x distance. This is polar distance, say r. This angle is nothing but theta. So this is right angle triangle. This is nothing but hypotenuse. Theta opposite side. This is adjacent side. Now what is your cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. X by r. Cross multiplying x is equal to r cos theta. What is our sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse, y by r. Cross multiplying y is equal to r sin theta. Y is equal to r sin theta. What is your complex variable? Z is equal to, in Cartesian coordinates, that means in xy, this is z is equal to x plus iy. What is x value here? R cos theta plus I into y value r sin theta. You common r cos theta plus I sin theta is equal to r. This is Euler form, e power I theta. Z is equal to r e power I theta. In Cartesian coordinates, z is equal to x plus iy. In polar coordinates, z is equal to r e power I theta. Cauchy-Riemann equations in polar coordinates are given by, proof is not required, only result, dou u by dou r is equal to 1 by r dou v by dou theta. Dou v by dou r is equal to minus 1 by r dou u by dou theta. Minus 1 by r dou u by dou theta. These are CR equations. X square plus y square, r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. So common r square cos square theta plus sin square theta. So this is r square into 1 r square. From this r value, root of x square plus y square. Y by x is equal to r sin theta by r cos theta. R cancel. Y by x is equal to tan theta. From this tan theta is equal to tan inverse y by x. Problem 12. Show that real and imaginary parts of W is equal to log Z satisfies CR equations when Z is not 0. Also find dw by dz. dw by dz. Solution. Given w is equal to log z. W means u plus iv. U is a real part, v is imaginary part. Log, whenever the logarithm is there, you write z in polar coordinates. What is your z value in polar coordinates? R e power I theta. This is nothing but log mn formula, log m plus log n. Log r plus log e power I theta. This is equal to log r plus I theta log e. Log e base is 1. So left side u plus iv is there. U plus iv is equal to log r plus I theta. Equating real and imaginary parts. Equating real and imaginary parts. U is equal to log r. V is equal to theta. Dou u by dou r. Log r derivative 1 by r with respect to r. Dou u by dou theta. With respect to theta, log r constant derivative 0. Dou v by dou r. Theta with respect to r, theta constant derivative 0. Dou v by dou theta, theta derivative 1. X derivative with respect to x is 1. Similar way, theta derivative with respect to theta 1. Now, dou u by dou r is equal to 1 by r dou v by dou theta. Dou v by dou r is equal to minus 1 by r dou u by dou theta. Observe carefully. Dou u by dou r is 1 by r. Dou u by dou theta is 1. 1 by r into 1, 1 by r. So 1 by r is equal to 1 by r. 0 is equal to 0. So CR equations are satisfied. CR equations are satisfied. Z not equal to 0. Satisfied. When Z not equal to 0. What happens? Z is equal to 0. X plus iy is equal to 0. Complex number equal to 0 means real part 0. So r is equal to root of x square plus y square. This is 0. So 1 by r not defined. R0, whenever R0, 1 by r not defined. So z not equal to 0. Z not equal to 0. Okay. F of z is analytic when z not equal to 0. So w is equal to log z. dw by dz is equal to log z derivative 1 by z. Z not equal to 0. Problem 13. Prove that z power of n n is a positive integer, is analytic, and hence find its derivative, Your solution is, take f of z is equal to z power n. F of z is u plus iv. Your z is r e power I theta whole power n. Write in polar coordinates. This is nothing but r power n e power I n theta, u plus iv is equal to r power n into e power I theta formula, Euler formula, cos n theta plus I sin n theta. This is ab whole power m is equal to a power m, b power m formula. Similar way, a power m whole power n, a power mn formula. Fifth class formula. These are fifth standard formula. ab whole power m, a power m into b power m. Here, a power m whole power n, a power mn. So, I n theta. U plus iv is equal to r power n cos n theta plus I into r power n sin n theta. Equating real and imaginary parts, we get this one. U is equal to r power n cos n theta, v is equal to r power n sin n theta. Dou u by dou r, partial derivative with respect to r, cos n theta constant, r power n derivative, n into r power n minus 1 cos n theta. So this is nothing but, you leave it, no problem. Otherwise you write n r power n by r cos n theta. Dou u by dou theta is equal to r power n constant with respect to theta, cos n theta derivative minus n sin n theta. So this is nothing but minus n r power n sin n theta. Dou v by dou r, v derivative with respect to r, sin n theta constant, r power n derivative, n into r power n minus 1 sin n theta. This is nothing but n r power n by r sin n theta. Dou v by dou theta with respect to theta, r power n constant, sin n theta derivative, n cos n theta. So n into r power n cos n theta. Now observe the formulae. Dou u by dou r is equal to 1 by r, dou v by dou theta, dou v by dou r is equal to minus 1 by r, dou u by dou theta. Look here, dou u by dou r is n r power n cos n theta by r. So 1 by r dou u by dou theta. 1 by r dou u by dou theta by n by r, 1 by r. We get this one. Similarly, dou u by dou r is this, n r power n by r sin n theta, minus 1 by r dou u by dou theta. Dou u by minus is there, so minus 1 by r we get. So CR equations are satisfied. CR equations are satisfied. Therefore, z power of n is analytic everywhere, and f dash z is equal to x power of n derivative n into x power of n minus 1 model n into z power of n minus 1. Problem 14. show that f of z is equal to e power z is analytic everywhere in the complex plane and find f dash z. Solution. What is given? Your f of z is equal to e power z. F of z is u plus iv. E power z. Z means x plus iy. So e power x into e power iy. Use Euler's formula. E power iy means cos y plus I sin y is equal to e power x cos y plus I e power x sin y. Equating real and imaginary parts. U is equal to e power x cos y. V is equal to e power x sin y. Dou u by dou x. Cos y constant, e power x derivative e power x with respect to x here. E power x cos y. Dou u by dou y. E power x constant, cos y derivative minus sin y. So minus e power x sin y. Dou v by dou x with respect to x, sin y constant here, e power x derivative e power x sin y. Dou v by dou y, e power x constant, sin y derivative cos y. Clearly here dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y. Dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. Minus dou u by dou x. CR equations are satisfied. F of z is equal to e power z is analytic. Derivative exists. F dash z is equal to e power z derivative e power z.